Calculating formula based on multiple columns in Pandas Dataframe, but without creating many intermediate columns. I have been trying to calculate the true range of formula based on a Pandas Dataframe containing stock ticker prices history. This is the formula. I have high, low and close as columns in the data frame. When I try to operate like this, I get invalid character identifier error, which is not very helpful. I tried many changes and combinations in the following expression, but not successful. I know this can be achieved by 3 separate intermediate columns and taking a max of them. But I want to avoid the same and do it directly. Is there a way out?
Use concat with max. Sample. Detail. Numpy solution is different, because max of nan and row is again nan.
It can be done by